everyone, myself Rajpira Kaur and you are watching News Moment English channel. Welcome to this channel. Have a look on this breaking news. Over 5.94 crore COVID-19 vaccine does have been administered till now in the country. The Union Health Minister said that the ministry said that the total 594,92824 does 81,26,776 healthcare workers were given the first dose of 5162679 SCWS were given the second dose. The ministry in a statement said that 88,27,124 frontlines workers received the first dose and 35,83,60 FLS were given the second dose. Besides, 273,188,810 beneficiaries aged over 60 and 64,74,375 beneficiaries aged 45 and above with specific comorbidities also got vaccinated. Take a look at the celebration of Holi. Enjoy the festival of color and exertion of Corona Holi, but keep in mind that once again the infection of Corona has started spreading rapidly in the district. According to the bulletin issued by Health Department on Saturday night, 41 people were found infected in one day in the district, which has happened after the last several months. At the same time, the number of active Corona patients in the district has crossed 200 and reached 233. Motion started an open scholarship test. Get up to 50% scholarship for class 7 to 12th student. Like every year, this year during the occasion of Basant Utsav, Yatra was taken out in Agra city on Sunday at 6 a.m. The people of Agra appeared excited at the Vasant Mahotsav. Everyone who participated in the Spring Festival sanitized each other with abhi. This Spring Festival was organized by Agra Bengali Samiti. More than 200 women and men and small children had participated. Women and young children were seen dancing and actively Bright career opportunity. Recruiting health insurance advisor. Sabe Barat and Holi will be celebrated on 28 March and 29 March. News Moment team request you all to celebrate festival and pray to God for peace. Don't spread rumors. Several meetings have been organized on behalf of administration and several other persons have extended their greetings. Let us hear what Janab Akhtar Hussain says.
मैं तमाम लोगों से अनुरोध करता हूं कि आप लोग सांप्रदायिक सद्भावना बनाए रखें, किसी तरह का भी कोई झूठ झमेला ना हो। आप लोग अपना अपना सब त्योहार अच्छे ढंग से मनाएं ताकि यहाँ के लोग अमन और शांति से रह सकें।
Professor Tabassum Ara requested to follow COVID guidelines and to celebrate festivals.
हमारी होली रंग बिरंगी होली है। हमारे तमाम भाइयों को होली की ढेर सारी शुभकामनाएं। मैं तबस्सुम आरा आसनसोल म्यूनसिपल कॉर्पोरेशन की एक डिप्टी मेयर, आसनसोल एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव बोर्ड की एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव बोर्ड मेंबर थी और हम डिस्ट्रिक्ट वाइस प्रेसिडेंट तृणमूल ऑल इंडिया तृणमूल कांग्रेस की। तो हम हमारी तरफ से आप सबों को ढेर सारी शुभकामनाएं। होली रंग बिरंगी का त्यौहार है, हम सब मिलकर जितने लोग हैं बहुत अच्छी तरीक़े से मनाएं। हम तमाम लोगों से एक ही दरख्वास्त करना चाहेंगे कि हम लोगों को अभी सोशल डिस्टेंस बनाए रखना है, एक दूसरे से अपनी सेफ्टी बनाए रखना है। कोई भी त्यौहार हम लोग मनाएं, एक दूसरे से सोशल डिस्टेंस बनाए रखें, हर अपना सेफ्टी अपना ही ख्याल रखें। शब रात हमारा जगने वाली रात है, इबादत की रात है। हम तमाम लोगों से यही कहेंगे कब्रिस्तान जाएं, अपनी इबादत करें, घरों में रात भर इबादत करें, अल्लाह से दुआ करें कि हमारा जो ये कोरोना का महामारी चल रही है जल्द से जल्द ख़त्म हो जाए। तो एक बार फिर से हम तमाम लोगों को, आप सबों को होली एंड सबराब की ढेर सारी शुभकामनाएं। धन्यवाद।
Insaniyat Welfare Society has also expressed their
आज
views
न्यूज़ मोमेंट
asking
इंग्लिश के
people to
जाने
maintain
से
peace.
मैं कुछ बात कहना चाहता हूँ कि आज के दिन शब रात और बहुत बड़ा पर्व होली भी है, जो इससे पहले कोरोना वायरस में शब रात पड़ा था। ये हम लोगों का बहुत खुशनसीब की बात है कि आज शब रात लॉकडाउन और कोरोना वायरस से हट के आज हम लोग सही से खुल के इबादत कर सकते हैं, अल्लाह का बारगाह में इबादत भी कर सकते हैं और हमारे जो अपने पराए गुजर गए उन लोगों का लिए फातिहा दरूद भी पढ़ सकते हैं। और आज होली भी है, होली को लेकर भी हम लोग यही चाहते हैं कि हमारे मुस्लिम भाई और हिंदू भाई जितने भी हैं सब मिल करके अमन और शांति के साथ ये पर्व को मनाएं। हम लोगों को यही पैगाम पहुंचाना है। ये हम लोग चाहते हैं कि ये दोनों पर्व हिंदू मुस्लिम मिल करके मनाएं और खुशी खुशी मनाएं और मिलजुल करके मनाएं। यही हम लोगों को पैगाम पहुंचाना है। आप बताइए उस समय कुछ बोलिए। मेरा नाम MD सद्दाम खान, मैं इंसानियत सोशल वेलफेयर सोसाइटी का प्रेसिडेंट। बैनर दिखा दीजिए
और सामने से बैनर हो गई।
Khan Upadhyay MLA of Barabani, who is campaign on behalf of Siddhabari and Baskatia Gramin Trimool. Manoj Sharma report from Barabani.
সিদাবাড়িতে বাবা খুব আসছিল আর আমার কাছে ছিল অল্প বেটা ছুঁয়ে গেলাম ওই দিদি প্রতি ভেঙে গেল তাও আমি ঘরও পাবে সবাই পাবে, এখন মমতা দিদিকে রাখতে হবে। মমতা দিদিকে না রাখলে মুশকিল হবে।
The batteries of several vehicles parked on Chitranjan Road under Niamatpur Fadi of Kulti police station were being stolen for the last few days. The truck owner and driver were very concerned about the incident. On Saturday night, 5 youths were trying to steal the battery of a truck. The truck driver surrounded and caught 3 youths. The other 2 youths escaped. The thief came from the car after the locals beat the 3 battery thieves. An atmosphere of terror has been created in the area regarding the information of the bomb in Kulti before the assembly election. Panic has spread in the area regarding the possibility of bomb in stack on Sunday morning in Lachipur area under Niamatpur Fadi under Kulti police station. After receiving the information, the police and central force of Niamatpur Fadi of Kulti police station reached the spot and surrounded the place. No one is being let go on the spot. The Trinamool Congress has suffered a major setback ahead of second phase of election in West Bengal. Even before the election, the NIA has arrested Trinamool Congress leader Chatardhar Mahato. Chatardhar Mahato has been arrested from his residence in Lalgarh at around 2:30 p.m. an NAI team arrested Chatardhar Mahato from his house. Trinamool and BJP clash in Lakshbardar village of Ladohar in Pandeshwar Assembly. Consequently, many people on the booth side were injured during the riots and many people's houses were demolished, causing tension in the area. BJP candidate Jitendra Tiwari led the protest by surrounding the police station. Trinamool block president Sujit Mukherjee complained. 23 BJP leaders have been included in Karor committee for 9 assembly constituency of West Bardhaman district. On the other hand, Shankar Chaudhary, a member of the National Executive Committee of OBC Morcha, has been made in charge in the media of Asansol North Assembly constituency. He said that BJP will form the government in the state. Asansol, not in Santiniketan or in any park. Some people in Asansol today celebrated the Spring Festival with slum children in the outskirts of the city. A total of 150 people, including 110 children from 3 slums adjacent to Vijay Manji Brick Lane in Mahishila village, were given lunch at initiative of Vishwanath Mitra of Eastern Railway Higher Secondary School on the occasion. Keeping in view growing impact of corona infection, the housekeeping person, that is cleaning person working in Asansol Railway Divisional Office, were given training on Saturday in the conference room of Divisional Railway Hospital to keep others safe. At the training camp, the Chief Medical Superintendent to Hospital, Dr. Manoranjan Mahta, said that housekeeping person play the most important role in saving others from corona infection. Mistakes are always forgivable if one has the courage to admit that. Bruce Lee. Lucky is your and wishes are mine, and therefore I wish your future to be bright. Wishing you a happy Holi. Thanks for watching News Moment English channel.